Tip number 159 from the book 501 Contractor Tips, Accounting Expenses. Now this might be a variable depending upon the size of your business. If you have a large business and you have an accountant, then obviously these expenses will be forwarded to your jobs. It will be part of your overhead. Now, here's something I didn't do for years, and that's why I'm mentioning it. If you're a small contractor and you don't have any overhead, you don't have an office, you're doing all your business out of the house, don't forget that anything you do associated with your business, you should track this time. Because if you're keeping books on yourself, you're doing all the work, then you should be getting paid for this work. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to, even if it's a small percent, let's just say that you track your hours for a month and you see that your basic accounting expenses, or to do the basic accounting for your business, took 4 hours. And if you get paid $45 an hour, transfer this expense on a monthly basis, divide it into your jobs, and get paid for this. So this is going to be a variety of things. If you need to go meet with your liability insurance guy, a lumber salesman, you're going to be taking time. And if you're not charging that time to your jobs, then you're not going to be getting paid for it. So accounting expenses, track the time that you spend doing any paperwork, including your banking and accounting, and make sure that you're getting paid for it. You'll work it out as a percentage over all of your jobs. You're not just going to say, hey, I worked for 12 hours last month. I'm going to put this all 12 hours on the next job. You don't do that. You will divide this money. You're going to have to track it probably for more like a year. And then this will give you an idea of a percentage of the money that you're making, the income. And again, you can break it down in a variety of different ways. If, let's just say it's $100 a year and you made $1,000, this is obviously going to be a 10% expense you're going to add on to it. How you figure this out is going to be up to you, because, you know, if you add all of your lumber and your materials into something like this, it could get pretty wacky. So all I'm saying is figure out a way to get your money for doing any work you do, including your banking and accounting.